Amazon is loaded with cool tools, but today we're showing you 20 game-changing tools on Amazon everyone should have. From must-have DIY gear and garage workshop tools to unique problem-solving tools you didn't even know existed, these finds are perfect for making life easier, smarter, and way more efficient. Whether you're a DIY beginner, a pro builder, or just love discovering cool Amazon tools, these game-changing tools deserve a spot in your toolkit. Subscribe now for more Amazon tool reviews, cool gadgets, and must-have inventions every week. Without further ado, let's get started.
When you need bright, reliable lighting on the job, this tool ensures your workspace stays illuminated and productive. The OX LED work light delivers 1,400 lumens of LED brightness and comes with a built-in Bluetooth speaker for music streaming from any smart device. Designed for toughness, it features a rubber overmold bumper, metal grille, and IP44 dust protection, making it resilient on construction sites. Powered by 240 volts AC, it provides continuous operation without batteries. With a soft grip handle, adjustable work stand, and balanced profile, it's perfect for construction, workshops, job sites, or any project requiring bright, portable lighting. When it comes to cleaning tight spaces or blasting away stubborn debris, precision and power are a must. The Jastantine Air Blowgun is built with an all-metal construction, featuring a durable metal body, press trigger, and copper nozzle accessories for long-lasting performance. Its adjustable airflow nozzle allows you to rotate for precise control, loosen to increase airflow, or tighten to decrease. Equipped with 3 air nozzles including 2 steel extensions with protective tips, it easily reaches confined or delicate areas. With high-pressure resistance, supercharging construction, and a tapered nozzle design, this pneumatic tool is perfect for dust, wood chips, water, and industrial or household cleanup. Measuring long distances outdoors can be tricky, especially under bright sunlight. The Bosch Blaze Distance Measure makes it simple with a long distance range up to 400 feet, optimized for sunlight conditions, and a viewfinder with adjustable zoom to easily spot the laser. Built for durability, it's IP54 rated to withstand dust and rain, while the backlit color display ensures clear visibility. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can transfer measurements directly to your devices and manage projects seamlessly. It also includes an inclinometer for pitch and level checking, plus measurement memory. Compact and portable, this tool is perfect for outdoor projects, construction, and precise distance measurement. Accuracy matters when every millimeter counts, especially for detailed projects or precise adjustments. The Louisware Digital Caliper is a reliable caliper measuring tool with stainless steel construction, ensuring durability that is waterproof, stain-proof, and oil-proof. Designed for comfort, it features an ergonomic grip and smooth sliding mechanism with a thumb roller and locking screw for precise positioning. Its large LCD screen provides clear readings, while the inch and millimeter conversion makes it versatile for any task. With an auto-off feature, it conserves battery life efficiently. Perfect as an electronic micrometer caliper, it measures internal, external, height and depth dimensions with exceptional accuracy for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Working on your knees doesn't have to be uncomfortable or risky. The Rexpedi knee pads provide heavy-duty protection with a PVC shell to shield against nails, glass shards, and other hazards, while the thick gel and high-density foam cushion ensure comfort during long tasks. Designed with hook and loop straps and an upgraded thigh support, they stay securely in place, allowing easy walking and movement. Waterproof and durable, these pads are ideal for gardening, flooring, construction, welding, and housekeeping. One size fits all with extra long stretchable straps for a snug ergonomic fit, making them a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Every DIY project or repair needs the right tool to get the job done quickly and precisely. The WorkPro Crimping Toolkit delivers professional results with its versatile 6P and 8P crimper, perfect for Ethernet, router, and telephone plugs. Built with a ratchet mechanism and release function, it ensures secure connections while protecting plugs during termination. Its ergonomic handle with ABS and TPR wrap offers a non-slip, comfort grip for extended use. Made of durable cold-rolled steel, This kit guarantees long-lasting performance. Complete with a ratchet modular plug crimper, mini wire stripper, and insulated terminals, it's ideal for cutting, stripping, and crimping wires. When tackling electrical projects, having a reliable all-in-one tool is essential. The WG Multi-Tool combines a wire crimping tool, wire cutter, wire crimper, cable stripper, and multi-function hand tool in one compact design. Its 8-inch professional wire stripper accurately cuts, strips, and loops 10 to 22 AWG solid copper or aluminum wire, crafted from high-carbon alloy steel for durability and precision. The ergonomic non-slip rubber handle provides comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for crimping insulated and non-insulated terminals, this versatile tool is ideal for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone needing precise, reliable wiring tools for home, automotive, or professional projects. Tired of struggling with stubborn rivets? The WorkPro Rivet Gun makes fastening effortless with dual-force handles, reducing effort by 50% compared to single-handle designs. Crafted from aluminum alloy and heat-treated carbon steel, it ensures durability and strength, while rubber grips provide comfort during prolonged use. Featuring a 3-jaw design to prevent rivet jams and 3 interchangeable nose pieces compatible with multiple rivet sizes, this rivet gun minimizes downtime and frequent changes. Compatible with rivets from 3/32 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, it comes with a starter set of 100 rivets. Perfect for DIY projects, construction, and repair work, it delivers efficiency and reliability. When moving heavy furniture or adjusting awkward objects, a reliable lifting tool is a game changer. The Colvoy Arm Jack is a 2-pack stainless steel construction hand lifting jack designed for versatility and ease of use. Featuring a steel support rod, anti-slip metal handle, strong spring, all-steel support plate, and wide base, it offers upgraded lifting height and precise control. This labor-saving design can function as a woodworking clamp, beam lifter, or expander for unstable objects. Perfect for lifting, pressing, and fastening, it excels in furniture moving, door windows installation, woodworking, construction, and drywall projects, ensuring safety, stability, and efficiency with minimal effort. When precise angles and measurements are essential for a project, accuracy is key. The Yagatool Digital Angle Ruler is a 20-inch stainless steel digital angle finder and protractor designed for woodworking, metalworking, and construction. This dual-purpose tool combines a ruler and protractor, offering precise measurements, with a 360 degrees range and plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy. It features a resettable goniometer, sturdy lock button, laser-etched markings, and a battery life exceeding 2,000 hours. The energy-efficient automatic shutdown ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for precise angle measurements, layouts, and construction projects. This durable, easy-to-read tool simplifies complex tasks while maintaining professional-grade accuracy and reliability. When accurate measurements are essential for construction or DIY projects, precision matters most. The Kipram Laser Distance Measuring Tool offers a 393 feet working distance with dual laser heads for faster two-way measurements, saving time and effort. Its adaptive rotating screen, electronic level, and plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy ensure flawless alignment for professional results. The tool also features Pythagorean functions to instantly calculate area, volume, or distances, eliminating manual math. With a bright, easy-to-read display and a lightweight, ergonomic design for one-handed use, this versatile measuring tool is ideal for construction, home renovation, office layouts, and precise DIY projects. Keeping workshops and garages free of sharp metal debris is essential for safety and efficiency. The ToolWhiz Magnetic Sweeper is a 17-inch rolling magnetic tool, weighing just 8.8 pounds, perfect for picking up nails, screws, nuts, bolts, and metal shavings. Its adjustable handle and smooth 3-inch rubber wheels make it easy to maneuver across carpet, concrete, grass, or hardwood floors, while the 16-pound telescopic magnetic pickup tool reaches tight spaces with an anti-slip handle and pen pocket clip for portability. Ideal for home use, workshops, garages, or small yards. This lightweight, versatile tool simplifies metal debris collection with speed and precision. Every DIY enthusiast and professional needs a reliable cutting tool that combines precision and convenience. The WorkPro Retractable Utility Knife Set features 3 knives with 1 blade pre-installed in each, plus 10 additional replacement plates stored in a convenient internal compartment. The reversible SK5 blades have double usage, while the aluminum alloy construction with silver metallic finish ensures long-lasting durability. Each knife offers 4-position retractable blades for perfect control and safe storage, and the ergonomic handle provides a secure, comfortable grip. Ideal for cutting, trimming, and precision work, this set delivers versatile, portable, and professional-grade cutting performance for any project. Every precise construction or DIY project needs a tool that guarantees straight, reliable lines with minimal effort. The Ox Tools Chalkline Reel combines aluminum and Kevlar for unmatched strength, making it up to 30 times more durable than previous models. Featuring a non-slip hook for accurate line placement, a locking mechanism to hold the line steady, and an ergonomic grip for comfortable use. It also includes a 6:1 gear ratio for fast rewind and increased productivity. With its ultra-lightweight aluminum casing, this chalkline reel is perfect for marking, layout, and precision cutting tasks, offering durability and efficiency for every project. Every woodworking project demands precision and control for flawless results. The Rui Tool Handsaw is a 6-inch Japanese Ryoba pull saw designed for woodworkers, carpenters, and craftsmen. Offering double-edged SK5 high-carbon steel blades. One side features 17 TPI for hardwood, while the other 14 TPI handles softwood, making it ideal for rip cuts and cross cuts. Its hardened 3-edge teeth and flexible blade ensure fast chip removal, smooth cutting, and durable performance. With a beach handle for a comfortable grip, this saw is perfect for flush cuts, finish cuts, and precise woodworking, providing both efficiency and control for any project. Every DIY project or workshop demands a reliable, space-saving workspace. The Keter Folding Work Table is a compact portable workbench that transforms in just 2 seconds thanks to its patented opening system. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, making it sturdy for heavy-duty tasks. The table includes 2 versatile clamps for horizontal or vertical mounting, ideal for sawing, brushing, nailing, and general projects. Its bottom storage level keeps your toolbox and tools within easy reach, while its foldable design saves ample storage space. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, carpenters, and hobbyists, it combines portability, durability, and functionality in one practical workstation. 17. Every professional needs a reliable way to carry tools safely and efficiently on demanding work sites. The Ox Tools leather framing rig is a 4-piece rig with padded suspenders anchored by a 3-inch leather tool belt, designed for job site durability. Crafted from top-grade leather, reinforced with iron rivets and double stitching at stress points, it ensures long-lasting strength. Featuring 7 pocket pouches, 2 hammer holders, a fully adjustable chest strap, and leather loops, this rig organizes all your gear while providing comfort with foam-padded nylon support. Perfect for carpenters, framers, and construction professionals, it combines heavy-duty protection, ergonomic support, and practical tool accessibility. When precision and efficiency matter, cutting vinyl and laminate flooring can be a challenge without the right tool. The NAACO Vinyl Plank Cutter is a heavy-duty 13-inch floor cutter. Designed for laminate, vinyl, engineered wood, LVPT, VCT, SPC, WPC, and rubber cove bases. Its rubber wheels, extendable handle, and handhold design make moving and handling effortless, while the multi-angle scale line and HD movable ruler allow precise 15-degree, 30-degree, and 45-degree cuts. Safety features include a chain brake bar and blade protective cover, and a whetstone keeps the blade sharp. Perfect for flooring professionals, it ensures smooth, accurate, and safe cutting every time. Installing cabinets or drywall alone can be tricky without extra support, but this tool makes it effortless. The WorkPro Cabinet Jack Support Pole comes as a 2-pack telescopic quick support system, 54 to 114 inches, with a storage bag for easy portability. It features an ergonomic handle, quick release lever, 6 gears, and a maximum capacity of 154 pounds. The rotating head with non-slip pads adjusts 360 degrees and tilts 45 degrees to accommodate various surfaces. Made of high-density steel with a premium aluminum handle, it acts as a reliable third hand, perfect for cabinets, drywall, crown moldings, flooring, and other installation tasks, saving time and effort. Keeping your home spotless just got easier and gentler. The VaseX Horsehair Dusting Brush is a premium soft horsehair round brush designed for vacuuming sofas, furniture surfaces, baseboards, and delicate areas without scratching. Its lightweight design and easy-to-store construction make it convenient for regular use, while the included adapters ensure compatibility with most vacuums, including Dyson Big Ball models. Perfect for countertops, fine furniture, piano black surfaces, blinds, vents, windows, drapes, and car interiors, it reaches tight or elevated spots effortlessly. With this versatile tool, you can tackle dust in style and protect your surfaces at the same time. And that's our list of the 20 game-changing tools on Amazon everyone should have. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. If you love discovering cool gadgets and tools, smash that like button, share this with your DIY friends and tool lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds, must-have tools, and game-changing gadgets. Stay creative, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.